One sudden pounce, and the mood changes instantly. The bird strikes, not with talons, not with a bite, but with long, dinosaur-like legs built for impact. Rhythmic, hammering stamps land with brutal precision, not wild swings, but targeted blows meant to stun and disorient. The cobra whips and folds away, trying to keep its head protected, trying to keep its timing intact. The snake sways, weaving a hypnotic pattern, body flowing like a drawn bow. It only needs one opening, one clean line to living flesh.